Okay, guys, you already know the description. How, if you're new to my YouTube channel, if you're new to this video, I want you guys to like my video, subscribe to this channel for you to get more updates when coming around. And because I'm always producing my video every Tuesday and every Saturday, I want you guys to like my video, any video that come up, because it's gonna help you. Thank you, guys. Peace. Okay, now, guys. Now, before we get to the business why we're here today, I want to ask you some things about life, guys. Now, you have a girlfriend that she's always requesting money from you. She's always requesting cash from you all the time. She always needs you to give her money. Now, this video is gonna help you to make her stop requesting from you and make her stop demanding anything from you except the love that she'll be giving to you. And she'll make you a king without even looking at it twice. Guys, is this video not amazing? Is the topic not amazing? Now, let's go straight to the point where we're here today. Now, before making a girl to stop determining, to stop asking you for money, you need to put something in your mind. You need to think about how to handle the girl, how to know the kind of girl that she is. Because when you know the kind of girl that you are dating, or when you know the kind of girl that she always requests money from you, you will know how to place her and you will know how to deal with her. Now, guys, this video is gonna help you. Are you with me? Now, number one key point when you're doing this act is this: if you're making a girl to stop determining anything from you, guys, it's always on your brain. You have to use your brain. You have to put a girl in a point where she'll stop requesting from you. Now, how to do this? You need to keep an investment table for her to start what? Invest on something that you know that she'll start getting something from. Now, how to do this is this: you need to pick a business career, maybe any business that's going on anywhere. You love this girl very well, but you don't love the way she's demanding, she's always requesting. Just keep something for her that she'll start making income, she'll start getting income from that particular thing. Now, this is this. If you get any insurance company or anywhere that you see different business going everywhere, now, on how to invest or how to partner with a company and keep her name in the list of that company. Let her be having income from there. Now, she will not depend on you anymore because that company particularly are giving her the money that she needs to ask from you. Okay, if you are not rich but you're thinking about this girl that she's requesting every time from me, now, guys, before dating any girl, you need to let her know the kind of guy that you are first before making her to be your girlfriend. Now, how to make her know the kind of guy that you are first is this: you need to do something. If she asks all the time, never give her all the time. Because if you're giving a lady all the time money that she's always requesting from, she'll always see you as something that she can always be requesting from anytime because you are always there. Let her know that you are not there all the time for her. Now, let her know that you are a guy, that you have what you are doing on your own. Now, this will bring sense to her brain that no, this guy really know what he's doing, and she's not going to be requesting money from you like the way she's supposed to be requesting. Now, if you are a businessman or you are rich, you have money. Now, I will advise you to open something that she can getting money from, which I've already said before. Go to a company, partner with a company. Now start making her to collect money from that company. How will you make her to start getting money from that company? Once you partner with a company that you know that is an insurance company, that you know that once you partner with them, maybe you partner with 45,000 naira, or you partner with $20, or you partner with $5, or you partner with $1, and you know that the income there when that person is partnering, she's that person is going to get up to, like, let's say, like $15, or that person is going to get like $25, or that person is going to get like $10, or that person is going to get like 100,000 naira, or that person is going to get like 5,000 naira or 10,000 naira. It depends on your money. It depends on the kind of quality that you are. It depends on the kind of person that you are before you know how to make a profit for that girl to start making. Now, once you're dealing in this partnering thing, you need to keep something in mind. When partnering with any company, you need to have full insurance about that particular company. Now, you need to know the rules and regulation of that particular company before you partner with any company, guys. Now, when you partner with that company, now you put a name in the list of that company, and that company, now you put account number. That company will be paying her the money direct to her account. That is if a girl that you love. But if it's a girl that you don't love, now you need to start keeping something in her mind. If she requests all the time, never give her all the time, because she's the kind of girl that you need something from. You don't love her, but you just need something from her. Now, just keep it in mind. Never give the girl everything she requests for, so that she'll stop depending on you. She'll start thinking about other things to do without looking at you twice. Now, guys, if it's a girl that you love, still never give her much. If it's a girl that you love, maybe your wife, your fiancé, your girlfriend, any kind of girl, never give a girl every time that she requests for money. Now, when you're doing this, you are not just creating something, but you are impacting something in her life to make her independent. Guys, I want you guys to think about this. I want you guys to love this video. I want you guys to go back and sit down and reason about this video, because this key point and this point I'm giving you guys is an amazing point that I want you guys to think about. And I want you, if you are in the career or you're in the criteria of guys that normally give girls money all the time, guys, stop it. Because if you are giving a girl money all the time, she'll start depending on you, and that love that is meant to grow in her mind will not grow. But if you give a girl a point whereby she should be getting money, you find a place, a company for her to be getting money from that company, the girl will always be thinking about you, because that company is not just, she will not be working with them, but she's getting an income from that particular company just because of what you partner with her name in that particular company. She'll be thinking about, as that money is coming to her account, she'll be reasoning about you. Even though you stop dating her, you leave her and go to another girl, or you leave her and go and marry, or she leave you and go and marry another person, that girl will still continue to be thinking about you, simply because of what you have done for her in her life. And she will respect you, and she will always pray for you, because this thing is going to help you guys. And again, if you know that you have a girlfriend, your fiancé, or anything, and you know that you don't want to marry her, please, guys, never tell a girl that you want to marry her if you know that you don't want to marry her. This is a very key point I'm giving you guys. Think about it. Now, maybe for example, now you're dating a girl and you tell her that I will marry you, but in your mind you don't want to marry her. Just never tell her that you want to marry her. Because if you tell a girl that you want to marry her when you are dating her, and she have already started developing that love for you, she can do and undo when you stop dating her. This is a very point I want you guys to think about. If you are dating any girl, never tell her that you don't, that you want to marry her if you know that you don't want to marry her. But if you know that you want to marry her, okay, now propose to her, tell her that you want to marry her, tell her your mind, be clear, be simple, be plain to her. You want to marry her, and what, keep her into something that she'll be getting income from, so that what, she will never depend on you, so that you have a peace of mind. Guys, is it not lovely? Is it not nice? Okay, now think about this. Start working with this, because it's going to help you guys. I want you guys to love my video, subscribe to my channel, and what, thumbs up to this channel, and comment if it helps you in your relationship. Thank you, guys. Peace. Legit advanced ideas. One love, guys. Peace. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Legit Advanced Idea. Guys, thank you for your subscription to my former videos. Thank you guys for your like, and thank you guys for your view for my former video. I want to appreciate you guys for everything you guys have done for me. And this video is talking about how to make a girl independent without dictating, without collecting anything from you, for you to be a man and for you to be the boss when dealing with ladies. Thank you guys. I want you guys to subscribe to this video, love this video, like this video. Peace.